Okay, now we're going to do some questions where they ask you to find K, find a letter. They give you some information and they ask you to find this letter here. And what do they tell you? Well, the first one says here that the distance AB is equal to root 42 units. Well, that means that the distance AB squared would be equal to root 52 squared. And all you do to do this question is put it into the formula. So you go like this. You go, okay, let's find the distance between A and B. You subtract the x-coordinates, k minus 4 squared, minus 8 minus 2, that's minus 8 plus 2 squared. Well, that's 6 squared, that's 36. K minus 4, you have to do FOIL on it and multiply out this binomial with the negative. You'll get k squared minus 8k plus 16. Now 16 and 36, it makes 52. Take away 52 from both sides, and now you factor that k out, and there's two different things that will make it equal to 0. 0 or 8. Well, what if A was the same distance to C and the same distance to D? Well, all you do, if that's true, if they're the same distance, then AC squared must equal AD squared. And all you do, I started with this p here. I subtract the 2y, p minus 1 is p plus 1, minus 3 minus 7 squared. There's AC squared. Do the same thing with AD, except it's going to be p minus 4 is p plus 4. Subtract the two y values, subtract the two x values. You get this thing right here. And it's going to be 49, that's going to be 100, and you're going to get, you multiply this whole thing out and you'll get p squared and 2p and 1. You go p plus 4 squared, you get that. Put all the numbers together, you've got 101 minus this 49 and 16 is 65. That equals 36. 101 minus 65. The p squareds leave. You subtract 2p from both sides, you get 6p equals 36, so p must equal 6. It's the same story with this here. You're given this information that it's a midpoint. Minus 2 and 4 is the midpoint between the points xy and 6 and minus 4. Well, that just means that x plus this 6 divided by 2 has to equal the middle value of the midpoint. You just build an equation and then solve it. Multiply, you get minus 4. Take away 6 is minus 10. And the middle of this y and this minus 3 divided by 2 must equal 4. And that's how you end up with multiply it through 2 times 4 is 8. Add 3, you get y equals 11. You use the same strategy here, exactly the same thing I did here. That's how I build two formulas based on the midpoint formula, and I get two values for x and for y. And that's it. There you go.